Hello everyone, this is Jan again. Welcome to my channel. Today is just a beautiful sunny hot day. Yeah, as usual in my little room here at the balcony, just enjoying the sun and just enjoying the quietness of the neighborhood. Once again, beautiful birds in the background. Yeah, just so thankful for God and whatever that He's doing. And so today I just want to talk a little bit about something that I just want to share. This is quite straightforward actually. As you all know, that the Traveler's Notebook that I use in my the Traveler's Notebook insert that I use in my Traveler's Notebook. Okay, this is my old Traveler's Notebook over here, and the notebook inserts that I use, most of them actually are from an A5 size notebook. So just to quick recapture, okay, so we can see this is actually an A5 size notebook. This is actually an A5 size notebook, and this is also an A5 size notebook. So what I did is actually I take an A5 size notebook like this, right, like this. As you can see, it's exactly the same, right, in different colors. This is, I got it from Popular, I think $1.05. Yep, $1.05. So what I did is quite simple actually. I just measured out 11 cm and I just trim off the edge here to get this A5 size down to a personal size Traveler's Notebook size, standard size, which is 21 by 11 cm. So I just want to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so just for your information, this is a official Traveler's Notebook, Midori Traveler's Notebook insert. This costs $5. This costs $5 at Tokyo Hands. Yeah, it's quite expensive, but the paper is just amazing. Paper quality is amazing. It's fountain pen friendly. The one that I have, these A5 size notebooks that I have, unfortunately, the paper quality is great for ballpoint, gel pens, pencils, things like that. It's very smooth, it's awesome, but it's not fountain pen friendly. I tried out with fountain pens and oops, just disaster. We have feathering, we have bleed through and all that stuff. So just to take note that, you know, you're actually paying for what you get. So the official Midori Traveler's Notebook inserts are all, the papers are just of amazing quality. It's of fountain pen friendly. Okay, so just to share a little bit. And alright, okay, what we have here, how come we get all these things on the rubber mat? So what you need is very simple, a rubber mat like this. Okay, you can get this from any craft store or stationery store. You need a sharp pen knife. Okay, if it's not, just make sure that the pen knife is sharp itself. So if it's blunt already after a lot of usage, what you can do is you can just break off this portion and you get a sharper edge, and you get a what you call a sharper edge from the pen knife. Okay, and of course you need a metal steel ruler like this. Once again, easy to find in any craft store or stationery store. And of course you need the A5 size notebook. So it's quite straightforward. So what you do is very simple, lay it down. Right, you have these lines to guide you. Okay, I just want to check on the camera again, make sure I get everything in line properly. Okay, what you can do is you can try to align it according to the line. I try and do it on camera, so it may be a little bit difficult. Okay, I try to do my best. Alright, so and from here, very simple, what you can do is you can use either your ruler, right, to make out the markings, or for myself, I will just use the squares. So one square represents 1 cm, so just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then from here you just lay it across at the 11 mark. Okay, it's good to confirm your measurements again before you actually do the slicing. And then from there, very simple. Alright, just be careful with your hands. Hold the metal ruler straight and tight and firm and steady, and then just trim off like that. Right, just go through a few times. Firm cuts like this. Okay, as you shave off, you can push off the excess paper to the side like this. Alright, just go slow and steady. Right, it's a bit of a wastage, but the reason I do this is because a Midori's Traveler's Notebook insert is quite expensive. It's quite spendy. It's about $5 in Singapore. I believe it's sold elsewhere as well. And for this, I can get this for about $1. And the number of pages is about the same. This is 60 page. And the Midori's, the Traveler's Notebook insert, the official one, is 64 pages. So you're getting lesser quality paper, but for me, I'm using a gel pen for quite a number of my journaling, my gratitude, my devotions and all that. So I don't really need a fountain pen friendly paper, so to speak, so you can cut costs on that. As you can see, that's not perfect here. You can see over here there's a little bit of that edge. It's fine. You don't need to be perfect. You can just go through a little bit again. So you can see that on camera it's not that easy, but yeah. Okay, so you're done. So let's take a look at this. So for some people, they may find that the edges are a little bit sharp. You can use sandpaper, or what do you call that, fingernail, what do you call that, the fingernail board, is that what you call it, to polish off your fingernails? I don't know what you call that. Yeah, so this is what it is. Okay, and you're done. Right, you got a standard size personal traveler's notebook insert size just by trimming off the edges on the A5 notebook. And for the excess, what you can do is just recycle them, or you can use them as scraps. Right, just don't throw them just away like that. Okay, just recycle them. And okay, so that's the end of my video. Just hope that this helps you all. See you guys. Bye.